welcome back to my channel. Hope you have seen my previous video in which we have talked about the homecoming of the souls to the spirit world and the events that happen with them as soon as they reach the spirit world. Now, before moving on this journey, I would like to tell you something about some displaced souls. Now, what are displaced souls? Basically, normally what happens, most of the souls, you can say most of the souls, I'll not give any percentage, but most of the souls are normal souls who have a normal kind of life with good and bad balanced, or more less more accounts of bad karma or good karma, but still they are not so bad, or they have any kind of problem in accepting their death and all. So they are normal, you can say. Most of the souls are like that, and they go directly to the spirit world. But some of the souls that we call as displaced souls, they are of two types. The first one are those kind of souls who really don't accept that they are dead. They are not in the physical body anymore. They had to leave that physical body due to any mishappening or so. So they are out of the body, but still they don't accept that they are dead, and they don't want also to go to the spirit world. They are so, you can say, possessed inside their minds that they want to go back into a physical body, or they are so desperate about being in a physical body to maybe to accomplish some unfinished tasks, or maybe to have more fun, pleasure and all. So they are one kind of displaced souls who don't really accept their death, and they really don't want to leave the earth's astral plane and go to the spirit world. And the second kind of displaced souls are those who have had a criminal or evil kind of record in their present birth. Like they were involved in so many or some really heinous crimes and all with very criminal background. So those souls are also, you can say, different. Their journey is a bit different, not very different, as ultimately all the souls have to go to the spirit world, that is our real home. So ultimately, what I said, that सुबह का भूला घर शाम को घर वापस आए तो उसको भूला नहीं कहते. So this is what happens to us as souls also, that maybe for some time we have to go to some place for our rehabilitation, but ultimately we have to reach to our home only, and that is the spirit world. So the first type of displaced souls who don't want to accept their death and don't want to go to the spirit world, they lie somewhere between the spirit world and the astral plane between, and those souls are called as ghosts. Yes, they are called as ghosts, and they are not imaginary now. I think most of us think that those shown in the horror shows or horror movies are really fictitious stories. Yeah, of course they are fictitious, but there is some reality behind them also, that yes, those kind of souls exist. They are called as ghosts because they are lying in between these two astral planes in a different world for some time. But that is for really for small period of time until they accept, understand and realize the reality that okay, now we are dead and we can't go back into any other physical body. Ultimately we have to go to the spirit world and move on to our journey of next life and all. So this may take some time. So their spiritual guides also wait and send thoughts and work for them to make them understand, realize things. So that may take some time. That's why they don't go to the spirit world immediately. And the second kind of displaced souls who have had a criminal background or were involved in such activities, they go to the spirit world, but they don't mix up with friends, family, relatives and closed ones as other souls do. They immediately go to a secluded position or in isolation, you can say, just like we have our isolated rooms in our houses. There also in the spirit world you can confine yourself in some isolated place that you cannot see walls around, but still it is confined for that soul. Nobody can enter easily and nobody can interact with you as we close the door of our rooms. So similarly there also it happens. So those souls go there and keep themselves in isolation for some time. Maybe they remain in a group of similar kind of souls who have had such experiences in their past. So all of them can learn for some time, realize their mistakes, what they have done. Somehow they can take some time to get purified and understand where they were wrong, what went wrong, what their mistakes were. This may take different time for different souls, and then ultimately their spiritual guide talks to them, and then the proceedings happen that we'll see later on. So this was a brief about the types of souls and the different journey of different souls depending upon their traits, their past karma, their present karma. So everything is very complicated and everything is very mixed. There is no rule for any particular soul that this will happen or this is the way this happens with each soul. No, everyone is on a different journey because everyone has had a different past and a different present karma also, even when I am in this body. So everything is different. So how can my journey be same as the other person? So I think these were some of the kind of brief description. In my next video I'll talk about the investigations or the proceedings that happen to each soul, and actually what is orientation, and also I'll tell you a story also in my next video that will make us understand the complicated life or the reality of life, or really you can say the mystery of life. Because when I was reading and relating things through different resources, I was puzzled. I was really puzzled and it took me some time to understand really what the mystery is, because all the things are so complicated. We have not taken a single birth, we have lived so many lives. And if I believe my spiritual master, they say that we can have maximum of 84 births. So you can imagine, we don't remember the events of our single this birth. How can we remember what we have done in so many lives? And you can imagine how many things must have happened with us, how many things we must have done, good, bad, mixed, everything. So, and we don't even know the consequences of karma of which life are coming to us in this life. So in my next video we'll try to understand about this and much more. Stay tuned. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy, stay spiritual. Take care. See you. Bye.